Rajita, please say your doubts. Rajita, where are you gone?
Ma'am, you will start.
Okay, I think she left for some reason. Okay. So next chapter I am going to start. That is the
I think it's network issue.
network issue. Suddenly power cut has gone. Power cut. So that is why his broadband stopped working. Okay. So for that you need to first understand the Bodmash rule. Okay. I hope that you have completed this. Then also first, though we are just spelling like Bodmash, but the spelling is Bodmas. Okay. Now V stands for vinculum or bar. Vinculum or bar also we can say. Next B for brackets. Bracket means
Ma'am, what
where first we will do first bracket, second we will do second bracket, okay, and in the
ma'am,
third we will do third bracket. Okay, these three
ma'am,
types.
I can't understanding why you have written Badmas.
This is the next, yes. Next chapter I have started.
Ma'am,
Next,
suddenly my net has cut.
yes. O is stands for off. Okay, just let me finish this. After that, I'm listening. D is for stands for division. M stands for multiplication.
Ma'am, you have started the chapter 5.
Yes, chapter 5 I have started. A stands for addition.
Ma'am, chapter 5 is already completed.
Chapter
Yes,
5 or
ma'am.
6. Ma'am, chapter
Chapter
6.
6. Chapter 6.
Chapter 6 are we
Yes.
are doing.
And is for subtraction. So these are the rules for to solve
Ma'am, we will write this.
solve our, yes, write this, solve our means math. How we will do, we will just start from here and go like this. So 1 to sum I will solve. On those sum you will understand that which work you need to do first, and after that which work you need to do. Please write it first.
Complete.
Complete. So exercise.
No, ma'am.
No, these are from your book. You will get that. Exercise A, I am starting. Okay, exercise A. First one sum I am doing. I will try to solve the 10 sums. Okay, 500 divided by 5 plus 200 divided by 4. This is your sum. Now divisions work we will do first. So this part and this part we will simultaneously solve, mentally calculate 100 plus 50. So how much it is coming? 150. So in the answer you will write you will write like that, the required answer equal to 150. Okay, next is question number 2. Question number 2, 12 divided by 8 minus 4, and here vinculum is there or bar is there, plus 60. Okay, so here first of all we will complete this part. This part first of all we will complete. Okay, so 12 divided by 4 plus 16. Now here no bracket is there, but we will give the importance on the division. So 12 threes are 4 threes are 12. Next here the answer is 19. I am not writing the answer, just I'm marking that this is your answer. Okay. Question number 3 also I will solve over here. Write very fast with me. Question number 3 is easy, so I am not solving. Going to the question number 4. Question number 3 you can solve it back at your home. 4 is what? 30 minus 6 plus 32 minus 40 minus 10. This is your sum. Now bracket, I told you in the bracket, first of all I will do this part sum. This part I will solve. So here I will write like that: 30 minus 6 plus 32 minus 30. Okay. Next in this step, this second brackets work we will do. 30 minus 6 plus 2. Now third brackets work we will do. Here it will become 30 minus 8. So here only this part is left, 22, and 22 is your answer. Question number 5.
Ma'am, I know this type of sum. It is very easy if you understand
Yes,
one
ma'am.
time.
Yes,
I
yes, yes.
also know.
If you know it's good, then start question number 5, 6 at least complete. Only this chapter, this exercise I can solve right now only.
Ma'am, if one can understand this sum, they can do all sum to do in very high and quietly.
But the next chapter is a little bit trickier, exponent. So going to the next. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5 is 60 minus. Not done. Try to solve by yourself or start question number 5. You are in class 6. You should write very fast. Vinculum is there. I am today writing very slow. I'm really tired today, but I'm writing. That is why I'm writing very slow. This is your answer. Question number 6.
Done.
Rishabh, please mute yourself. Here division work will be there in first. 4 into 1. Now in this step multiplication will be there. Next this part. Complete it fast.
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, mine.
Ma'am, completed.
7. So first vinculum, sorry, 12. Then in this step we will solve this part. This is your answer, okay?
Ma'am, completed.
Question number 8. So this part we will solve first. In which step, what part I am solving, I am marking. You can mark also by pencil so that you will easily understand it very nicely. So now this part I will solve. Please keep your sides mute.
Ma'am, completed.
If you are not completed, if you have not written until last, I will show you all the screens. That time, please take the screenshots.
Ma'am, you will not send in a file?
every day's work I'm every day sending, so that my time is over, means your school time is over. After that my first work is post everything in the YouTube, WhatsApp, or not WhatsApp, in the chat section, or in the website and everything. Then only I am going to sit for a lunch. And sometimes when my net is not working, that time the issues are coming, real issues I'm facing. So question number 9. Question number 9, very easy sum, very fast it is, you can solve.
And before 9, what to give that sign?
Nothing. The writing is becoming bad.
Ma'am, before 9 you have given that third bracket.
Before 9, 19, this is 19. See your book.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this part's work is done first. This is your exercise A.
Completed.
Now we will go for exercise B.
Yes. Very easy exercise B is also. I'm just stopping my share. Okay. So here exercise B, first of all, here is in your book, you can see the concept of the numbers. Okay. So I'm just sharing the screen of your book. This is not the book. Okay, so there are, you can see that various numbers are there, means prime numbers and composite number and odd number, even number. Now odd number, even number from the childhood we have learned, but the prime number and composite number, what is the concept? If the number, if the number is prime number, okay, if the number is prime number, then the number is only having two factors, the one itself and the number itself. Consider 11. 11's factor is 1 and 11. 13. 13 factors is 1 and 13. 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. 9 will not be there. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. After that 29. Like this, there are many numbers are there, which are actually we are considering it as the prime number. Now then, what is the concept of composite number? The composite number but looks different. Consider number 4. Number 4 is having many factors, 1 and 4 itself. Again, we can break 4 into 2 and 2. So these are the composite number which is having many factors. Suppose consider 15. 15 is having 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now factors means what? Factors means consider 5 and 15. 5 will divide 15, means 15 divided by 5. If we want to do, we will get one particular answer. So this type of numbers are known as composite number. Okay, so here this exercise we can just solve over here. Okay, no problem will be there. You can also solve it in your book also, because what are prime numbers, what are the differences between prime numbers and composite numbers, you don't have to.
Ma'am, 2 is composite number because 2 is go for 4, 6.
No, 2 is
Eight.
itself a prime number, and there is only the number 1 is neither prime neither composite. Okay, now here choose odd and even for
Ma'am,
odd.
but 2 is go that 4, 6, 8,
No,
10,
no,
12.
this is the factors and multiples. So for odd and even, O and E I will write first. Odd is uh, and you know, so please write this. Write all the prime numbers between 40 and 80. From here, this question number 4, I will say you from where you will solve. Complete it first.
Ma'am, completed.
Completed.
8 is even number.
Sorry. 8 is odd. Mistake. Now here I'm just off my Zoom. Of my
Ma'am, number 4, that prime number between this will, how we will do this? Can you explain that?
yes. That only I was about to explain. Here the sieve of Eratosthenes is Eratosthenes. Okay. So here, from here you will see only the prime number is not cut. Okay, but the composite numbers are cut. So 40 to 80, if you are going to see that 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, after that 67, like this way, 71, 79. These all are prime numbers. Like this way, the question number 4 you can solve from this sieve of Eratosthenes. Yes, something like Megasthenes. Okay, Eratosthenes. Okay. Next, write the smallest prime number. Question 4 you can solve from here. So please complete it. From question 5 I will start. Question 5, what they are telling, question 5 they are telling write the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. This is the smallest prime number. Okay. 5a. Next is B, write all even prime numbers. Even prime numbers. Now you need to see that, see accordingly. This blue column only you will check. Is there any even prime numbers or not? Because in the gray column over here, all the numbers are odd. Okay. Now even prime number, if a number is even, that will be definitely divided by 2. So there is only one even prime number, and that is only 2. Are you getting my point? Because here column wise you will see all the blue lines are cut. That means all these are composite numbers. Only here 2, except 2, all the even numbers are cut. So only 2 is living there, means for all even prime number it's only 1. Write the smallest.
Number is 2, 4, 6. That like
Yes, 246 you don't have to go. You just remember this part. Sieve of Eratosthenes. Because why in this book it is given for this. Now smallest odd prime number is 3. Okay, because 1 is neither prime nor composite. This points to remember this part, you will just remember. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay. Now question number 7 also you can solve from this. So solve all these things. At least you need to know that which is what number. Okay. So I will stop the share and I will take the attendance. Oh. 5 minutes are left only.
Ma'am, may I go to a toilet?
Yes, yes.
I'm adding water.
Yes, don't leave the class. Do whatever you want to do. Okay, because